Welcome kids. Now we will learn more about this editor. As we learned before, we have to do programming, write scripts in this big window, which is divided into code, costumes and sounds. Codes are bifurcated in different colors as you see here. Blue for motion, purple for looks, yellow for events, orange for control and so on. We will learn each of this motion, control, sound in detail in the coming videos. Okay? When you have to start writing the script, the first step is to click on events and drag this when flag clicked. Each and every script or event start with this code. Got it? And this is the sprite. Before moving forward, let us understand what is a sprite. Sprite is an element on which we are actually going to write a code. In one project or in a game, we can use multiple sprites. Each sprite will have their own code. Let's start with this sprite. Current position of the sprite is 0, 0, which is the center of the screen. Now, what I want the sprite to move 10 steps. Okay? Move means what? Motion. So click on motion. I want to move 10 steps. See the code, how it fits. It's like a puzzle. One goes inside the other. If this doesn't go properly, that means you have written something wrong. The steps of the script are not in flow. Got it? Let's see. Now to execute the script, we have to press this green color flag. Got it? See, 10 steps for computer is very quick. To see more movement, what you have to do? Change this number of steps to 50 and then press the flag. You can see the difference. What I want? Now I want to turn 15 degrees to the right. Click, turn, click again. Now I want the sprite to go back to the center of the screen. What you have to do? X-axis 0, y-axis 0, direction should be 90 degrees. Okay? These are simple steps. Now I will teach you what are controls. I want the sprite to move 50 degrees and move 50 steps and turn 15 degrees. I want these steps to repeat for 10 times. Programming is very easy. You have to do what you say. As I said, I want to repeat these steps for 10 times. See, when you go to controls, you have so many controls. From that, you have to pick what you say. I said repeat. So, we will take repeat. Before taking this repeat control, I will pull this block down. Whatever you pull down will not be executed. Okay? So now I will take this repeat control. See, when this fits well, even if I leave here, it will get fit. And then I will move this over here. This also fits. Okay? Now what this will do? When you click on flag, it should move 50 steps, turn 15 degree. How many times? 10 times. Got it? Okay. After completing this, I want sprite to go back to the center of the screen. Okay. So go to motion, click on, go to X, Y. Okay. So I will do this one. Go to X, what position? 0. And Y, what position? 0. Now let's see what happens. Even if it moves, it will come back. Got it? It comes back, but the direction is not correct. I want the direction to be in 90 degrees. So I have to take again in the motion. I have to take point in direction 90. Now let's see. Wherever it goes, after finishing the action, it will come back to its current location. This was the repeat block. Now what I don't want it to stop. Okay, I don't want to come over here. Instead of dragging down, I can put the code back to the code window. What I want the sprite to move forever. So what I will do, I'll again put it here. I want to repeat this one, but not for 10. I want to repeat forever. So I'll select this block, I will delete it. Again I will go to controls. There I have forever. Insert this and I will put again the same thing. Now let's see what happens. Correct? Sprite will not stop. It keeps on rotating. Why? Because we have taken the block forever. To stop an action, you have to press this red button. Now, I want sprite to rotate, but at the same time, when I press space bar, it should display hello. Okay? What I said, when I press space, it should say hello. So if I press space, it should say hello. So what I said, if. So I have to take what block? If. When they are rotating, I want if. Okay, so I'll again take this out. In the forever loop, I'll put if. If what? It should sense the space bar. So you have to go to the sensing control. When I click on sense, what I want? Key space pressed. See the shape of this event? It will fit exactly inside this one. So if key space pressed, then what you have to do? You have to say hello. Hello means looks. Say hello for 2 seconds. We will take this one. Once this is done, what you want to do? You want to keep it rotating. So this will come down. Let's see how it works. It keeps on rotating, but as soon as I press space, it will say hello for 2 seconds. As it is very far, we will make this, instead of 50, we'll make it 20 steps. Okay? Now let's see. It says hello and then it will go back. Now I want to stop the sprite when we say hello, when we press spacebar. Okay? For that we have to take a control stop. Stop when? After saying hello, it should stop rotating. Okay? Stop all or stop this script. Anything you can select. Stop all will stop all the activities. Right now we have only one activity, so you can say all. But if you want to stop only this script, then you have to select this script. Okay? Let's see. As soon as I press stop, now it stopped rotating. The script got ended over here. Clear? Okay, one more interesting thing. Okay, first, before that, let us bring the sprite to current position. Okay, see, if we rotate here for 10, play, what you can see, the sprite is just revolving. It is not actually walking. If you see costumes, we have two. 1 and 2. If you click on the second one, you will feel like it's working. Correct? Now what we will do in this script, we will add costume. After moving 10 steps 15 degree, we will add new costume. Now see the difference. Correct? You can feel it as if it is running. The sprite is running. So this way you can add more costumes and get the animation out of your script. Clear? Okay, that's it for this video. We'll continue with more coding and more functionality in our next video. Thank you.